Tonight for dinner, we're making chicken fried steak. It is one of our family's favorite comfort foods. For the wet components of the chicken fried steak, I take 1.5 cups of milk and whip in 3 eggs. That's what it's going to look like. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of cayenne, and a teaspoon of paprika. We're just mixing this all together. I have a piece of cube steak, and I have it between some plastic wrap, and I'm going to use my little iron skillet and pound it out. And you'll be surprised how big it gets. Go ahead and pound out the round steak until it at least doubles in size. So we go into the flour, into the egg wash, back in the flour, get the excess off, double baptize them. Back into the flour. Want to make sure we press it in. Get the excess flour off and into the hot grease. I have the oil heated to medium-high heat, and I cook the steak in batches so not to overcrowd the pan. And I also really like using the iron skillet to cook this chicken fried steak. I think it gives it a better crust. To make the gravy, I take 3 tablespoons of the cooking oil that I've cooked the steak in and place it in another pan. I then add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, salt and pepper to taste. I also add a teaspoon of this chicken seasoning. After cooking the flour for about a minute, I add 2 cups of milk over medium heat and stir until it warms and thickens. There you have it, beautiful milk gravy. Now just plate it up with some mashed potatoes and some veggies. Tonight we're having broccoli, and you have the perfect comfort food dinner.